Yorkshire pudding is a tradition in British Sunday dinners and is served as a side dish, usually with roast beef roast. Today Yorkshire puddings are eaten with roast chicken, roast lamb and other family dinners. These crisp batter puddings are simple to make, yet tricky to perfect. Ingredients. Number 1, 4 ounces, 120 grams, of plain flour. Number 2, 3 eggs. Number 3, 91/3 of a fluid ounce, 280 milliliters, of milk. Number 4, 5 fluid ounces, 150 milliliters, of beef or chicken roast drippings. Supplement with vegetable oil as needed to get to 5 fluid ounces. Number 5, salt and pepper, to taste. Number 1. Cover the roasting tin's bottom with the oil. Place the tin in the oven for the oil to heat up at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius, or 220 C. Use a cupcake. Number 2. Sift the flour into a bowl with sieve. Then, create a well or a hole in the middle of the flour. Number 3. Break the eggs and place them into the hole. Mix the eggs and flour thoroughly with the wire whisk. Number 4. Pour in the milk and add salt and pepper, to taste. Try to make a smooth mixture with everything. You may use a hand blender to make it easier. Number 5. Wait until the oil is very hot, add the batter, it should sizzle as you pour it in. Number 6. Place the tin back in the oven. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. The pudding should rise and get golden brown in color. 7. Remove from the oven and serve immediately. If the pudding sits for a while or if you wait, the pudding may get soggy.